Good morning. Happy Halloween, guys. I'm very, very happy to be here streaming with y'all and enjoying myself with this nice Halloween morning. Woo-wee. Okay, so as you can see from the deconfigured green blob behind me, that is my costume. However, I realize now that I'm supposed to inflate it, and I was not ready for that. So here's what I'm gonna do. Actually, tonight I have an announcement. So tonight I'm actually going to be doing a Halloween stream. I'd hope to see every single one of you there. I'm going to be doing it with my friend Brandon. We're gonna be playing scary games, that's for sure. But the most important one of all is that we're going to be testing the chocolate companies and seeing if they are what they say they are. So here's what I mean. There seems to be a conspiracy. I think it was brought up mostly by me. But it seems I am more careless and more understanding from these companies, but not everybody is. And here's where it comes. I think that the chocolate companies that make these special edition chocolates, I think they don't even think twice. I don't even think they think twice about the chocolates they make. Here's what I mean. You ever thought about why the Reese's cups sometimes have the different shapes, but if they're using a different ingredients? Now I might just say, hey, different look, same taste. Do you actually believe that? I don't. So here's what's gonna happen. We have a collection of candies, collection of chocolates. It's gonna be twofold. We are going to be trying the Halloween editions and the regular editions. And during it all, we're going to confirm and we're going to rate every single one. Now, I got a huge bag. I got a huge bag of Reese's. So we have like Reese's, we have like the four like Butterfinger, Snickers, Kit Kat, and Three Musketeers. They're all regular though. At that point, we're just gonna be rating them. And then I have a huge bag of sour candy. Yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be the play. We're just gonna have fun with that. And I really hope to see you there. Now, a couple things. Number one, I have to do my breakfast. So I'm probably gonna be a disconfigured head. And I'm just gonna look back at chat once in a while. But here's the deal. I have some good news. On top of the fact that I'm streaming today. Hello. Okay, cool. Making food, but still here. Lol. Anyways, so here's the deal. Yesterday morning, you know how I always wake up and I work on my game. I actually had some pretty good epiphanies, and I have some pretty great advancements to show you guys today on how the game's going. Ow. Now, mostly. Owie, sorry. I had surgery. Ow. I think it's still recovering. Anyways, boom. I have some really great news. So, yesterday when I was working on the game, I started thinking about it. I started thinking about some ideas and stuff. And then I was like, oh, like, I know I was trying. So I was talking to Kecker, like I mentioned yesterday I was gonna do. And he gave me some really phenomenal kind of like thoughts and ideas on what to do. Some of them were very like, some of them were very great, but I don't think I wanna like implement them. But some of them were very, very smart on like some of the little pain points I was having, because I was, you know, when you make one of these kind of games, there's a lot of examples of really great ones, and there's a lot of examples of really like, you know, mediocre ones, but that's okay. Like at the end of the day, these games, everyone makes one, or like the people that make them, you know, they're just trying to get it out, they're trying to make some art, and I fuck with it, like I am. And one of the things that I noticed was that I kind of had this routine for this game, right? What I mean by that is, the loop of the game for me was, hey, here's a battle, here is a, okay, so the idea is it's battle, it's, what else? It's battle, it's shop, it's battle, it's shop, it's battle, it's shop. Oh my god. Oof, sorry, I just got a whiff of my Glade, bro. God dang. That shit is good, but like, oof. I was not expecting it to be like that pungent. Oh, let me shake it a little bit. So, what does that mean? That means that after every battle you do, you will go straight into having a one-off with, you'll have a one-off with the shop, right? So, when you think about games like Hades, for example, another great example of an amazing roguelike. Hades has a different formula. Hades has battle, upgrade, battle, upgrade, battle, upgrade, battle, upgrade, battle, sometimes shop, right? In my case, in Hades' case, the shop is used actually as a catch-up mechanic. So let's say, for example, you have had some pretty bad luck with some boons. So the idea is that you would use the shop, you know, to go and like kind of catch up in a sense. So you can use your money to buy even more boons, to buy upgrades, all that stuff. That's the intention of the shop in Hades. In my experience, while that is good, that's actually not actually like the typical thing that people do in roguelikes when it comes to that. What people usually do is that they use like the shop, right? So let's think, when I think about like a one that I'm trying to reference, it's Balatro, for example. Balatro in its entirety is just battle shop, boss shop, right? But here's the thing. In my case, I'm gonna have a boss, but I haven't implemented it yet. But the biggest thing what I'm trying to implement is that when boss is there, right? So let's say, for example, when you're like the boss, right? I think, and Keka brought it up and I was like, God, this is so smart. When you're when you have the boss and you beat the boss, it'd be really cool if the boss dropped a boss specific thing, right? Maybe it's like a set of marbles that you can only get from beating the boss, which makes your game really cool and it makes you even more powerful, right? So I was like, oh shit, that's smart. You know, like I think that'd be really fun. I think that pushes people to kind of, you know, beat the boss. You get something for free. It also helps with these random events. So there's a game that's like a dice rolling roguelike. That game is awesome. But one of the cool, interesting things that it has is that every battle is not a consistent shop. Or I guess it is, but on top of it, there is this thing that comes out where it gives you not a meta progression, but like a different type of upgrade that not necessarily found in the shop. So I kind of like hinted at it when I was making the tags piece of my shop. I'm missing something, fruits. I was, you know, kind of moving along with that. And that's when I found out, I was like, oh, like, I think that's a good idea, you know, having tags, having something else. Because I've seen these games that do like Balatro is a good example again. Like the main point of the game is cards, right? But it's also jokers. And it's also like, you have like the cards, like the planet cards. And the planet cards allow you to, you know, go even further and make some really amazing stuff. So that's what I'm talking about. There's a lot of cool things, cool nuances that you could do, right? And it makes me happy because I have a lot to do and a lot to work on. But also kind of, you know, actually I don't have anything negative to say. I'm just very excited. I think this is a really good opportunity to just kind of learn some new things, make the programming even better, make the game the best it can be. Now, I still have a hard date at January, so a lot of these mechanics and stuff will probably have to be added after, like, maybe the game is like an early access, or who knows, maybe I can finish it up before then. With the vacation time coming, it's going to seem like this game's going to be an early access, and I'm just going to keep working on it, you know, after, which is going to be sick. I think people are going to be enjoying what I have so far, right? After I end up, like, working on the music and the sound effects, because right now, there's nothing. There's no music, there's no sound effects, and that's completely expected. The game is at a very early stage, I'd say, with its main loop kind of set up, without bosses though. So main loop is not even up, if I'm being real, but it's all good. There's truly no rush. We do what we gotta do. Happy Halloween, by the way, to all those who celebrate. All right, I'm done with my breakfast, guys. This has been my breakfast. It's fucking awesome. I've been feeling really good. Yeah, done other times. Done other times to the burrito, man. I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of burritos, but they've been making me kind of crazy. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, I'll just get some paper in this shirt. All right, y'all. Let me show you what I got. So yesterday, like I said, I ended up working. I ended up getting a lot of cool stuff done. Here's the bigger. So, pretty simple. Okay, there we go. Oh, you guys are probably gonna see a lot of the hitboxes and stuff. Just don't be fretting. Enemy only has one thing they can do, which is nice because they go straight to the shop. I got all mine, 55. Boom, let's go to shop. Boom, guys, look. Hey, what? Yep, guys, yep. I got marbles to spawn in the remove marble section. So, this is huge, because if you weren't here for that, it took me forever to even get an idea of wanting this, right? On top of that, give me a sec. On top of that, anyways, on top of me waiting so long for this, I did it. Anyways, so what was I saying? Anyways, I'm very happy to say that I got that working. Now you can't collect them yet, right? It's still not there. But there's two things I want to do. Well, three things actually. A price. So let's write this down. Let's write this down. Number one, the remove marble checklist. Number one, we need pricing. Let's make it adjustable pricing. As I spoke about on Wednesday, I am going, oh no, did I speak about it Wednesday? I didn't. So I want to confirm with you guys. At least I am going to be sticking with 24 marbles as a max. I think there are ways for you to get a lot of money with just that much. And I think with the nature of this game, I like it better if you had the opportunity or the ability to only have a maximum of 24 instead of force feeding you a ton of these random marbles that don't matter. And going there. That's another thing too. I'm going to be removing the standard marbles out of the rotation, and I'm going to be keeping the other ones. The only rares and super rares will show up in the shop. I think this will help a lot. I think quite frankly, it kind of sucks having to trudge through. Bro, my freaking, dude, why is this being so annoying? I think I made the fucking, ow. I put the bandage pretty shittily, I think. Fuck, I hope it's not gonna be that annoying. No, I'm telling you, this last 24-hour stream, like I had a moment where I was like doing pink stuff. Yeah, I see a lot of pink everywhere. It's pretty crazy. Oh, whoops. I should probably update that. That is a good point. I should probably update that. Cast your lives, buddy. This is not the 24-hour stream anymore. You don't gotta be saying all that anymore. Okay, let's go over here. Nope. All right, let's get back to business. So, auto adjustable pricing. Let's say, for example, the thing starts at $3. After that, for every purchase that he makes, I think it'd be really cool if it adds. Makes it a little difficult, makes it a little more like, oh shit, there's only so much that I can start removing and like deck building before it starts getting really annoying. Before it starts getting very expensive and then I gotta like figure it out. So, you can either A, save yourself the trouble and start deck building early, or B, survive survive as much as you can with the current deck that you have, and then when you have more of options to choose from, it'd be cool to start like, you know, deck building. I have an idea for the shop now. After talking to Kecker, I think it'll be really cool. All right, so auto adjustable pricing. Number 2, auto population when buying marbles. This one's pretty self-explanatory. If I'm in the shop and I choose to buy this one, I expect it to spawn here right away. It just makes sense. Why wouldn't it? You know. So that one is easy. All I need to do is just when the act of buying happens, I just gotta make sure to spawn another one here with the same stats as the one that I just bought. Easy. And number 3, auto adjustable pricing, auto population and buy marbles. Oh, and show information on hover for each marble. I think it'd be really cool to know, hey, what the flying fuckery did I do? Again, I think it'd be really cool to, I think it'd be really cool to know what marble does what. So then you can know which one you're trying to remove. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Let's do that first. I kind of want to see it happen. So let's make it so on button click or right here. Yeah, pin it to the current run marbles, which is completely fair. And then what I want to do is, I want to instantiate a new marble. I want to pretty much do what I was doing before. Not here. Not here either. What the fuck is it? current marbles. Bruh, where the heck is it? It would be like, Nana shop. Bro, I gotta like remove all these. I need a clean slate. So, definitely not here. It is when I click on, okay. It's when I click on an add-up screen, the shop button, right here. I do this thing. Okay. So, like quite literally, this is literally what I want. And then I need it in the stance of, I need it when user buys. So we go to shop, we go to, what is it? We go to shop, we go to purchase? No. Yeah, purchase marble. Then we go to wherever this button's clicked. Boom, right here. Yep, money, all that bullshit. Marble brought, changes it, yep, and then does all that. So, once we know that it's already there, and then we're making a new one, literally right the moment it appends it. Let's go over here. Extension marble, current marble section. Oh shit. Let's go to already. It's whatever current marble section. Where are you? Boom. Marble spawn point for current marble bucket equals marble spawn point. It would be have I been using this one or this one? I think I'm using this one. Boom. Okay. I need marble too. I need marble. I need a motherfucking marble. Marble. Up here. Marble, marble, marble. Am I going crazy? Oh, here it is. I was like. Right here, perfect. So what's up? Why are you screaming? J? Ah, fuck. Yeah. It is for marble on the brought item. Okay, current marble section. Yeah, I need a place for that. All right, cool. Let's see. Let's see if it works, y'all. Okay, so, oh my God, it works, bro. Yo, this is so sick. It works, bro. I knew it. Like, man, sometimes you just need to see this shit, man. Sometimes you just gotta see this shit. So it feel good, bro. Like, this is fucking awesome. All right. Oh man, I'm so fucking happy. So auto population check. I'll do like this like for check. No, I need pricing. Well, actually, I need the active deleting. Hold up, pause. I don't even have that. Right now you're not able to delete. Ah, that feels good, man. I'm very happy. Feels really good. Oh, you know what? There we go. Nice. God, it feels fucking great, man. Wow. Okay, so a couple things. I need to make it so my hand can touch these. Right? Right? This kind of happened in the shop, so I can use the shop as a reference. So let's go to the shop real quick. Not shop, sorry, the main menu. Damn, bro. To think, bro. To think that this has been going on for so long, man. Wow. I'm like thinking back all this code I wrote. Insane. Okay, a couple things. I need to figure out how to make him clickable, in my case. Current marbles? No. Be purchased marbles? No. Right. Call it bag. No. Main menu. No. Give more steak. Okay. Dude, my back is just bugging, bro. Hello. All right, so I kind of want to get, what do I want to get before I leave? I already did this. Active deleting would be fire. That one's gonna be a little tough though, but I think I could do it. I just gotta figure out some stuff right now real quick. Like, when shop goes in, I have to make it so my mouse click can see the marbles. So let's do this. How do I change masking stuff? Let's go to marble. Yeah, but I have a, no, wait, hold up. I have a marble scene, yeah. That's the one. There we go. I always forget how this works. Okay, marble. You have its own, it has its own layer and mask, right? So I just gotta make sure that when they spawn, they have a specific layer and mask. Go to the whole situation, open that up. For the finger collision shape, and for the selector area, you have a layer of 2, which is finger selection. Okay. So that means that if I want this to also work, marble needs to have number 2 as the layer as well. Let's see what happens. So let's go to KSM, let's go to script. Game over state when I create them all. I want instantiated marble dot get child. Whew. 0, right? No, actually it's just marble. Okay, so I just gotta do this into layer. Is that a thing? Give me one sec, guys. Yeah, let's get the spread. Okay, so Okay, so I gotta do this. In my case, it's gonna be instantiated marble, set of body. And I wanna set, shit, is it 0? Set to layer 1, yeah, okay, it's a 0, 1, 2, 3 thing. True, bam. Okay, so this should, hypothetically, allow me to see, because I have hitboxes on, right? So I should see my arrow kind of proc up like it is right now. So see how it's red right now, guys? See how it's red, the arrow? Hypothetically, I should see this arrow also when I see it in the shop, because I've changed the layer to be the same layer as the thing that this is looking for. Oh, cool, it's broken. Non-existent function set collision layer bit. Okay, that's a bummer. What do you mean? Oh. This helps a lot. Set collision mask value. Dude, fuck this shit. I can't believe they changed the name of the fucking function. I mean, it makes sense, but like also, bruh. Bruh. All right, game start. Let's fucking get this. Boom. Yep, still not working. Still not working. What? Is this not being used? It's not. Okay. I don't need it then. Alright, yeah. So it seems that something's happening here. Let's go over here real quick. No. Right here. I'll go standard. Hit that shit. Let's go to 4 here. Something's wrong here. I need the Godot ducks. Okay. There. Code example, perfect. Blood, oh my god. They stopped being bits. Meaning that it's actually 2 that I'm trying to fucking make true. Oh my god. The mishaps, bro, the mishaps. I'm telling you. Okay. Let's just continue. I think I know it. I think it works now. Yes! Guys, it's working. Okay. I'm so happy. It works, it works. Okay. So this was half complete. Now I just need to actually delete. How do I make it delete? I'm guessing it would have to be on the side of the player hand. Right? Like what, where's the act of clicking? Oh no, it's not. No. Damn, would it be on the side of the marble? I don't think so. I wouldn't think it'd be in the act of the marble. On the side of the marble. Because right now, what I'm thinking is, okay, so I have the act of it seeing the thing, the marble. Now I just need it to where I click, it deletes it. It removes it from the list. Now, how have I been able to deal with this before? I think in player hand, if we go into the state machines and we go into the grab and drop, move requested happens. Yeah. Here it is. Yeah, if area is a 3 and get the parent has a pin index. In my case, it'll pass always. Let me think. So what I actually want would be if the click happens, it checks to see that the name of the thing is marble, maybe? Right? Something along those lines. Because this else is from this one. And I want it to be colliding. So I need to fix this if. Let's do Aleph. All right, Aleph. I want to check if the area that is colliding with me is a, Roguecala, you are a rigid body 2D. No, this is Roguecala bag. Where the heck is Roguecala? Marble, there we go. Bruh, bots everywhere. Rigid body 2D. Okay, so let's go back to where I was. Bruh, there we go. Number 1. And then number 2, so get parent, I want it, where's get collider return? Get collider as node.name. No, that's not what I want. I want specifically the ability to grab the name of the collider, see if I can try to use it as a means to reference whatever I'm trying to collide with. In my case, it's a rigid body. Maybe, let me see. Okay. Okay, cool. Not what I was looking for, but maybe. And, what's one way I can tell if it's a marble, bro? Damn, bro. What could it be? I could do store. The store equals false, and then I could do here, and I could do area. Oh wait, you're not area. Oh wait, yeah, you are an area. Get parents. What's it called? Get parents, and then it's store equals. I could just leave it like that. Like it would just automatically assume it's true. Expected indented block after. That's what I'm doing. Look. If area is rigid body 2D and area get parent. That store is true. I'm gonna just double just in case, but I think this is a smart enough language to just know that I'm just looking for that true. But whatever, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, when the parent store is true, then I want it to call upon. No. How do I communicate that I want this marble deleted? Oh, I could just do it, right? Like I think, yeah, I could do it from here. I have reference to our, what's it called, bro? Our global data. And global data is the one that has it. So I could do global data dot current run marbles. Right. Dot remove. I don't know the position. How do I remove specifically if I know what the thing is? Godot remove, let me think. Remove. Godot remove. Yeah. Erase is what I need. Yeah. Okay. So here's the deal. I've done this already too many times, so let's do area dot get parent. Erase. That's area dot get parent. Okay. That'll erase it from the group, and then now all I need to do is just area dot get parent dot not remove. What is it? Queue free. Boom. Let's see if it works, guys. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. I think it worked. Oh, I forgot to do store. Yeah. Whoops. One more thing, guys. So, when it spawns in for the first time, I gotta go to... No, not purchase marble. Game over state. Right here. So I need to put instantiated marble dot store equals true. Okay. And then when I purchase a marble as well, I need to make sure that before it gets added in, I do instantiated marble dot store equals true. Let's try it out. Now I think it'll work. Come on. At the 4, it just skips in. It goes my turn. Okay, guys. Moment of truth. Let's see it. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this is working or not. Let's go and leave a breakpoint at my hand. This will be in move state, and this will be right here. I'm gonna hit apply. Let's try it again, guys. Come on, dude. If I get deleting before the stream ends, oh, it's gonna be so lit. Okay. So I click here, I click apply. Okay, my shit's not running. Sir, why are you not running? Is apply not hitting? I'm not in ghost mode. This is weird. Why isn't it doing anything? Is this even hitting here? I am in move stay, right? Oh shit, I just thought of something. I might be in out of state. Yeah, oh my god, I forgot about that. There might be a chance I'm in out of state. Okay, let me grab this, go to move state. Oh shit, out of state. And then right here. It says and ghost mode is false. I'm gonna remove ghost mode. False, because I think that wasn't there. All right, let's give it a try. Come on, 2 minutes. Yes, I know, that's fine. Continue. Go over here. Go over there. I think turns back. I'm not in ghost mode anymore. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, it worked. Invalid access to property or key store on a base object to type node. What? What do you mean? What do you mean node 2D? What? The hell's area at this point? Hello? Area is literally, this store is right here. Store's right here. Oh, can I just do this then? Alright, can I just do this? Come on, guys, come on. Bro, I think it's right. Oh my god, come on. One more minute. Come on. Dude, I feel it. I think it's gonna work. Please. Okay, so this one. Oh my god, it worked. Bro, no way. Bro. Okay. It kind of worked. I don't have that many. Okay, so the deleting part works. But for some reason, current run is still going. Oh, but it worked, bro. That's fire. All right, yo. I'm gonna call it. We did amazing today. Holy shit. Happy Friday. Happy Halloween. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Please be here for tonight's stream. It's gonna be on my gaming channel. I'm gonna have a fun time with Brandon and stuff here, so I hope to see y'all there. Truly, guys, I appreciate it. To anybody that came by, said hi. Love you lots. And I will see you tonight. Bye, guys.